you guys ever wondered why some people have really clear skin, yet some others struggle with oil, acne, and other skin issues? Well, I believe it has a lot to do with your diet and your skincare routine. I have 4 basic steps in my skincare routine and a couple of basic steps in my diet routine that I like to follow every single day, and I'm about to tell you all what they are. The first step to my skincare routine is I like to wash it twice per day with a gentle, sulfate-free clay cleanser. The reason for this is because sulfates really aren't great for the skin. They'll leave it very red and inflamed looking. So something that is gentle and sulfate-free is definitely the way to go. Plus, the clay in the clay cleanser will give your skin a nice matte, fresh, clean look. The product that I use is by a brand Dermatologica, and it's called the Active Clay Cleanser. It's available in most stores and online. The second step to my skincare routine is I like to use a serum. Serums are lightweight moisturizers that penetrate deep within the skin. They usually all contain active skincare ingredients such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and a bunch of antioxidants. These all work together to fight free radicals to prevent premature skin aging, wrinkles, and all other kinds of skin issues. The serum that I use and recommend is by a brand called The Ordinary. The product is called hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. It's really inexpensive and super high quality. You can get this serum at most stores that sell skincare products or online. The third step to my skincare routine is using a moisturizer. A moisturizer is not as lightweight as a serum, but when used together it helps to lock in the benefits of the serum. The other benefits to a moisturizer are protection, prevention, and lubrication of dull, dry skin, which would eventually lead to premature skin aging. I recommend using a moisturizer twice per day after a serum, first thing in the morning and right before bed after cleansing. The moisturizer that I use and recommend is one which contains peptides. Peptides in a moisturizer will improve the skin's condition, increase the skin's natural barrier, help clear breakouts, and ease inflammation. And the last step to my skincare routine is using an eye cream. The benefits to an eye cream are softening the look of wrinkles, getting rid of puffiness, brightening the skin around the eye for an overall younger, more youthful look. The main ingredients that you want to look for in an eye cream are vitamins, peptides, hyaluronic acid, and caffeine, as these are all going to work together to give your eyes much more of a youthful appearance by increasing the collagen production. Some eye creams that I recommend are by Inky List, The Ordinary, Ole Hendrickson, and SkinCeuticals. All these brands have products that contain the ingredients I recommend. So make sure you check out the products that I did recommend in the video by checking the links in the description box below. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Also, I love trying new products, so if you have any recommendations, feel free to leave them as well. In the next video, I'll be talking about diets and supplements and how those correlate to a healthy skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.